When it comes to maintaining and enhancing the value of your Fort Worth property, replacing old or inefficient windows with custom replacement windows is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make. Beyond aesthetics, custom windows offer a host of practical and financial benefits that make them a worthwhile investment for homeowners in Fort Worth's unique climate. Enhanced energy efficiency. Fort Worth's hot summers and unpredictable weather patterns demand energy-efficient solutions for your home. Custom replacement windows are designed to fit your property's exact specifications, ensuring a tight seal that minimizes air leaks. Many custom windows come with advanced insulation features, such as double or triple glazing, low emissivity, low E coatings, and gas-filled panes. These features help regulate indoor temperatures, reducing the strain on your HVAC system and leading to significant energy savings over time. Improved home comfort. Drafty windows can make certain areas of your home uncomfortable, especially during extreme weather. Custom replacement windows eliminate these drafts by providing a precise fit and superior materials. With better temperature control and noise reduction, your home becomes a more comfortable sanctuary, regardless of the weather outside. Increased curb appeal and property value. Custom windows offer endless design options, from frame materials and colors to unique shapes and sizes, allowing you to match your home's architectural style and personal taste. This tailored approach enhances your property's curb appeal, making it more attractive to potential buyers. Studies have shown that high-quality replacement windows can yield a significant return on investment by boosting your home's resale value. Superior durability and longevity. Custom replacement windows are often made with premium materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum, which are designed to withstand the harsh elements of Fort Worth's climate. These materials are resistant to warping, cracking, and fading, ensuring your windows maintain their functionality and appearance for years to come. By investing in durable windows, you reduce the need for frequent repairs or replacements, saving money in the long run. Personalized aesthetic appeal. Unlike standard, off-the-shelf windows, custom replacement windows are tailored to your specific preferences. Whether you're aiming for a modern, sleek design or a more traditional look, custom windows allow you to achieve the exact aesthetic you desire. This level of customization ensures your home stands out while reflecting your unique style. Enhanced security and safety. Custom windows often come with advanced locking mechanisms and impact-resistant glass, providing an added layer of security for your home. In a bustling area like Fort Worth, enhanced window security can give you peace of mind, knowing your family and belongings are well protected. Additionally, modern custom windows are designed to meet strict safety standards, reducing the risk of accidents, especially for families with children. Environmental benefits. Investing in energy-efficient custom windows isn't just good for your wallet, it's good for the environment. By reducing your home's energy consumption, you're lowering your carbon footprint. Many custom window manufacturers also use sustainable materials and eco-friendly production methods, making them a responsible choice for environmentally conscious homeowners. Reduced maintenance. Older windows often require regular upkeep, such as painting, sealing, or repairing damaged components. Custom replacement windows are designed with low-maintenance materials and finishes that resist wear and tear. Features like tilt-in sashes make cleaning a breeze, allowing you to spend less time maintaining your windows and more time enjoying your home. Tailored solutions for unique needs. Every Fort Worth property is unique, and so are its window requirements. Custom replacement windows cater to specific challenges, such as irregular window sizes, hard-to-reach areas, or the need for enhanced UV protection. This tailored approach ensures you get the perfect solution for your home's needs. Conclusion. Investing in custom replacement windows for your Fort Worth property is a decision that pays off in numerous ways. From enhanced energy efficiency and comfort to increased property value and aesthetic appeal, the benefits are both immediate and long-term. With the ability to customize every aspect of your windows, you can ensure they not only meet but exceed your expectations. Take the first step toward transforming your home by exploring custom window options tailored to your unique needs. Your property and wallet will thank you.